American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. You can call or text Anthony Rubio at 954-706-0081. We're going to do a startup and a bucket demonstration on our 2008 Ford F450, the 35-foot working height, Altec AT200. It's a V10 6.8 liter. Fleet maintained, ice cold AC, ready to go to work. We offer financing and shipping on this unit. You can give us a call to arrange that. Also, we're conveniently 15 minutes away from Fort Lauderdale International Airport, so if you'd like to fly in and drive her home, we can do that as well. We issue temp tags in-state and out-of-state temp tags. We also can assist in exporting to overseas, either delivering to the ports of Jacksonville, Fort Lauderdale, Everglades, or Miami. You can take a look at the video or the picture, at AmericanTrucksandEquipment.com. We got over 35 bucket trucks in stock, derrick diggers and cranes, dump trucks. Go ahead and turn off the AC for this demonstration. Have strobes. There's the switch for the master PTO. Zoom in a little better. Again, this truck is being offered by American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. Southern truck ready to go to work. All right, let's go ahead and switch on the PTO.